He gets up before the dawn, packs a lunch and a thermos.
Hi, I'm Dalton Tenbush, and this is my first Chevron Delo tractor restoration competition project. This here is a 1946 John Deere A. This tractor coming out of after I got it, it didn't need a whole lot of work. It needed a few things. It needed a little bit of a tune-up, and it had a couple brakes were frozen, and the transmission needed some oil, and the motor, and just a few little touch-up. And she ran pretty good. We just needed, and then we needed a new magneto and a new starter. So okay, we'll get started. So first things first, when you start one of these, you always got to have your throttle all the way forward, and usually your gas off to start, and then you turn your gas on. And the nice thing about these tractors is they have a high and low on them.
The dawn, packs a lunch and a thermos full of coffee. It's another day in the dusty haze. Those burning rays are wearing down his body. The diesel's worth the price of gold. It's the cheapest grain he's ever sold, but he's still holding on. He just takes the tractor another round and pulls a plow across the ground and sends up another prayer. He says, Lord, I never complain, I never ask why. Please don't let my dreams run dry. Underneath this Amarillo sky. That hailstorm